Xiaomi has confirmed the launch date for its 14T series smartphones. Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro are scheduled to launch globally on September 26th. The teaser shows Leica optics for the phones. The Xiaomi 14T come in lemon green, Titan black, Titan blue, and Titan gray colors. The Xiaomi 14T Pro come in Titan black, Titan blue, and Titan gray colors. And we already see the Xiaomi 14T and Xiaomi 14T Pro real images. So the two have been leaked online as a TikTok user shared a hands-on review video of the phone lineup. Xiaomi 14T has been spotted on Geekbench with the model number 2406 APFAG. On Geekbench, the Xiaomi 14T scored 4,389 points in the single-core test and 15,043 points in the multi-core test. It will come with 12 GB of RAM and run Android 14 out of the box. Xiaomi 14T feature a 6.67-inch 120Hz 1.5K resolution OLED display. The Xiaomi 14T will get a 50-megapixel Sony IMX906 rear camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 50-megapixel Leica telephoto camera, and a 20-megapixel selfie camera. Xiaomi 14T Pro is a 5,000 mAh battery with 67W charging support. The 14T's price has been rumored to be €649, while the 14T Pro will apparently go for €899. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.